Hey y'all, I'm AnnaTheArcher. I had the opportunity to hunt Nutria with Swamp People's Daniel Edgar, and I want to show y'all a way to cook Nutria. So Nutria is found in like the marshes in Louisiana, and they're actually tearing up the marsh because they're eating the vegetation. They're herbivores. That's what they do. They eat all the vegetation. So they can actually be found through Texas and Florida and things like that. So they're an invasive species, so we're trying to get rid of them. I bow hunted them and I said, how can I eat this? Because I like to eat what I harvest. So here is a quick recipe for y'all. If you get the opportunity to hunt Nutria, give it a shot because it's a lot of fun. All right, so you don't need a whole lot to make this. It's a really simple recipe. It's a crock-pot recipe. I use turnips, and we call it the Holy Trinity down here in Louisiana. So we have some celery, some bell pepper, and some onion. I don't have exact amounts on everything, guys, because it's kind of whatever your crock pot can fit. I cut up some sweet potato and some mushrooms, and I had about a cup of red wine, along with about 2 to 3 cups of water just to cover my meat. And of course, our Nutria meat. It's awesome. This meat is super, super high protein, low fat. Turnips, onions, bell pepper, celery, your Holy Trinity, mushrooms, sweet potatoes. All right, so after we have our veggies and everything in our base, we are going to add our Nutria meat. And y'all, this is really, really good meat. It's really, really low fat, very high protein, and all you do is season it with some pepper to your liking and some salt and call that a day. This is a really easy, quick recipe. Just place it in the pot. All right, so we got our meat in the crock pot. That's gonna be some good eating, y'all. And then we are going to add the cup of red wine. You're gonna add about 3 cups of water. Cook the meat for about 8 to 10 hours on the crock pot low setting, and you'll see that it falls right off the bone.